Disadvantages of Pilates exercises and how to overcome them. Pilates is practiced by many people as a way to get into shape and stay healthy. Pilates is time-consuming. This is because Pilates exercises are specifically designed to be performed in a controlled manner. However, if time is not a problem, this would be one of the most enjoyable forms of exercise available. It's not practical for all people. These exercises have to be performed in a very specific manner, and without being very competent, you will never be able to do them properly. So, to overcome this disadvantage, you should find a good instructor in a studio where facilities are available. Pilates may not give you six-packs. This is because Pilates focuses on controlling the breathing rate and movement of the muscles. Therefore, before choosing Pilates, do some research and learn about the outcomes of the exercises. Pilates will not burn calories as cardio. This is because Pilates is a moderate intensity workout that focuses on controlling the movement of the muscles while they are being stretched. So, to overcome this problem, you need to add cardio exercises to your schedule if your target is to lose weight. Conclusion. That said, Pilates can help you get into shape, feel better about yourself, and improve your core strength with some effort. Before you try out this method, make sure you understand the disadvantages so that you don't get discouraged or injured.
Thank you for watching. Visit www.scienceaplus.com for more science-related content.